Hello kids, today we are going to learn about 2D shapes and colors. So let's begin. This is sky blue color. This is orange color. This is brown color. This is light green color. This is yellow color. And this is dark blue color. Now we will outline all the 2D shapes with black color. This is circle. And this is square. This is triangle. This is heart shape. This is rectangle. And this is star. Now we will color the circle with dark blue color. Which color is this? This is blue color. This is blue color. Now we will color the square with sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Now we will color the triangle with orange color. Which color is this, kids? This is orange color. Now we will color the heart with brown color. Which color is this? This is brown color. Now we will color the rectangle with green color. This is green color. And finally we will color the star with yellow color. This is yellow color. Now we will repeat once again. Blue circle, sky blue square, orange triangle, brown heart, green rectangle, and yellow star. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye kids. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and please press the like button if you like that video.